Hey guys, today I have a Idylis, I think is how you say that, Idylis dehumidifier. It's a 70 pint, I believe it does like 3,000 square feet. It does a really good job. You've got your bucket here. Of course, if you pull that out, it's going to shut it off, and right now it's running, doing an excellent job. You see everything there. Looks good. You have a few different options. On the back though, it's kind of neat. You've got a direct drain that can drain out, and typically I have this hooked up to a direct drain and it just runs 24/7. I've done an upgrade to a much bigger unit now, but that's how I had this set up. So I just left this on here. I lost the little cap, but you could buy for a couple bucks a little garden hose cap if you wanted to cap that off and just use the bucket like in a basement or something. Here's the information if you can see it there. Check that model number, and I'm pretty sure that they still sell this one at Lowe's. It wasn't too long ago that they did. Anyway, just wanted to show you that everything on it's working perfect. It's got that little compressor in there running, and this air's warm like it's supposed to be, which is how it draws the moisture out. But yep, plugged in, working. And I might actually come back, give this a few hours, and show you that it's pulling the water out. I just plugged it all back in, just up in this little room here, so you can kind of see everything working there. So I will do that. I'll let it run for a few hours and I'll come back and show you how it's draining out. Alright guys, it's only been about 35-40 minutes, but you can see it's already accumulating water there, and doing a good job getting that humidity in this little restroom here pulled out. So I always do a little video on everything I sell. That way you know everything's working perfect. So I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.